Wow. Okay, hello guys, welcome back to my channel, Android. Today, as you can see from the title of this video, we are taking a look at the Nokia Lumia 925. So I never tried Windows Phone before, and I was like on the market for a one Windows phone because I don't know, I wanted to give it a try, use it for a bit, see what it's about, even though the platform is dead now. I mean, I'm still just want to, to figure out what it is and how it is like to use in like 2021. And so I got this Nokia Lumia 925 for $18, which literally cost me less than Samsung's 25-watt charger. That was $30. But yeah, I got a Nokia Lumia 925, and I'll do a unboxing and first impressions video right now. So I'm not gonna make it any longer. So let's get straight started. Oh, there we go. Wow. Okay, this is empty now. This can like literally go away. Wow, Nokia Lumia 925. Damn, this phone, I've never, as I said, used a Lumia phone ever before. Well, it says Qualcomm Snapdragon at the back with Pure Pure Motion HD Plus Windows Phone. Damn! I really want to like use this right now. I don't know. This package is 100% recyclable. Okay, nice. So it has probably a Qualcomm Snapdragon chip inside. I don't know which chip does it have, but I know that this guy has like a wireless charging case. I don't know if the seller is included or not. Oh, the case is, this is kind of bulging, but I mean, I guess we're pulling down from here, and wow, okay. Well, okay, this is empty. Here is our Lumia 925. And holy shit, this is small. Oh, this is probably the case I'm talking about. Yeah, this is the case. Oh my gosh. So I got this. It had like a cracked screen, as you can see from here. It's nothing big or significant or like make the device unusable or something. Can I take this case off for a second? Okay. Wow, okay. Oh yeah, this is the Qi charging case, as you can see. Oh my god, this is so refreshing. I never used a Windows phone before, and I just got one. So I'll probably, get this cleaned up and everything and then use it like that, but back feels nice. It feels nice. Okay, let's put the phone to the side and see what comes in the box. I mean, I got this for $18, can't really expect much. No way. No way. I got another wireless charging. What? How? Okay. Thank you, I guess. Generous seller. That included 2 wireless charging cases. That's nice. Wow, I surely wasn't expecting that one. This is just a piece of plastic. Some paperwork for your Lumia 925. Welcome to your Lumia 925. Some paperwork, your warranty. Oh, man, this had warranty back in the time. This is its charger. Oh my god, this is the original charger. Wow, okay, this is probably like 5 watts or something. Let me actually see. Okay, that is so scuffed up. There's no way I'm seeing that. It's probably like 5 watts or something. And there's our USB cable, which is micro USB. It doesn't matter because I'll probably charge this guy with wireless charging because, I mainly got this because it had OLED display and wireless charging, so can't really complain. And oh my god, okay, let's put everything to the side and take a look at this phone. Wow, it actually feels nice in the hand. I really like its feel. And wow, let me actually give it a little cleanup here. And yeah, this is a nice looking device. Let me actually turn this on and see what this is about. I'll make a long-term review about this, how is it like to use this and stuff. And I was expecting 4.5 inch to be way more smaller than this, but hey, it isn't really smaller, but wow, okay. It says Nokia on the screen right now. If you can, oh yeah, you can see it. Oh, I'm dumb. Okay. This is my first Lumia experience, bro. I really want to try it out. Oh, okay, we are just in. Let me actually hold on and let me change the language for you guys. Alright, I made its language English now. It wasn't Turkish because you guys know where I live. But yeah, well, inside it needs restarting for like to boot up in like this shit. This is on Windows 8.1, Windows Mobile 8.1 at least. That's what I know, and I think this is illegal for the Windows 10 mobile update. I don't know if that still works, if I can still update a phone to Windows 10, but this is from aluminum, which is super nice. I really like it. Here's our Windows logo. This is turning on. Okay, SIM error. I don't have a SIM. Cool. Wow, this is so refreshing. I really like it. The UI really seems nice. I never used something like this, guys. This is so new to me. Okay, let's take a look at the sides. So this is aluminum. It has aluminum sides, glass on the screen. No way we have an always on display on this guy. Wow. It's getting me even more impressed about this. Okay, this is like probably a shutter button. Let's see what happens if I press it. Well, approximately nothing. Oh, never mind. Allow camera to use blah blah blah. Okay, wow. White balance seems kind of awful, but can't really complain for $18. Okay, there's a shutter button, probably camera button. I've seen those guys on like Sony Xperias before, but here we have this on Nokia as well. It has like Nokia Pure View Zeiss lens branding on the back. I also upgraded my camera, guys, so the quality is any different. That's why there's a 3.5mm headphone jack, your micro USB port, and your SIM card inserting tool, though this guy does not have micro SD expansion slot like the Lumia 920 had back in the day, so I made some research, yeah. This side is completely empty, aluminum, and the bottom part is completely empty too. So yeah, this was so refreshing, guys. Oh my god, I really like this. I'll probably just I don't know if there's any personal data on this phone. Oh my god, alarms, data saver. Damn, this is so nice. I really like this. I really like this. Let's go to settings first. And then the animations and stuff just is awesome. I don't know if I can upgrade this to like Windows 10, but I guess you'll have to wait for the long-term review video to come up and watch that. So yeah, that's been it, guys. Oh, actually, before I close the video, since I got two of these, let's try to wirelessly charge this guy. Is this volume buttons? Okay, ringer tone, media. Oh my god, this UI is so nice. I don't know why, but I really like it. Let's just put this on. Okay, here's my wireless charger. This has battery on. I put it on. It's not charging. Wait, it is charging. I mean, I don't know if that's charging or not, but it says it's blinking red light. Okay, it's not. Okay, stop. Let's put it back on. And whoa. Okay, now we're charging. Yeah, we're literally charging. This is literally charging wirelessly. I'm impressed. I have nothing else to say. I'm impressed, but yeah, wow, that's been it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I know I have not uploaded for a long time, and if you really enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing. Like 99% of you, I'm not even joking, 99% of you or more watching these videos unsubscribed. So if you like came this far and you're not subscribed, I suggest you subscribe because you may enjoy my content. Yeah, and give this video a like if you liked it. If you don't, well, yeah, the other button, that dislikes, works too. But yeah, that's been it. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and see you on another video.